If this is the first time you are doing this job, I would recommend moving everything out of the way first, including the ECU. If you're going to remove the ECU, make sure to disconnect the battery first. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. The sensor is located on the 4 to 6 intake runner. It is buried behind the fan and the ECU. At the least, you will need to remove the fan housings and fan green arrow, the side plate red arrow, and the wing blue arrow. The red arrow indicates the location of the sensor. If you think you can access it without removing anything else, skip the next steps. At the very least, you will need to disconnect the sound tube from the connector by squeezing in on the tabs, red arrows, and setting it off to the side. We also remove the ECU and move the harness to the side, blue arrow. With the ECU removed and the wiring moved to the side, you can see the location of the sensor indicated by the red arrow. Use a pick and slide back the retaining clip on the wiring connection, red arrow. Squeeze in on the tab, blue arrow, and separate the wiring connection. Use a T30 torque and remove the single mounting screw, red arrow. Wiggle and pull the sensor back out from its mount. Make sure to lightly coat the O-ring with Porsche synthetic gasket lubricant before reinstalling. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.